Welcome to PE Lessons with Mrs. Cook. Remember to try your best. Today's lesson focus is underhand rolling to a target with a small and a large ball. You will need a large ball, a small ball, and some bowling pins. For the large ball, use a playground or a beach ball. For the small ball, you can use a tennis ball. And if you don't have any bowling pins today, you can use an emptied plastic water bottle. Now set up your bowling pins in whatever shape you'd like a row, triangle, or an arc. Start off about 5 feet away from the bowling pins. Then you're going to underhand roll by stepping with the opposite foot and pointing to your target as you release the ball. Today, we're going to use the verbal cues tick, tock, step, and rock. Let's start with the large ball. Make sure to hold it with 2 hands. Tick, tock, step, and rock. Now find a small ball to use. Remember to keep your eyes on the target. Tick, tock, step, and rock. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep up the good work.